Today we're loading up the boat. Got a laundry list of stuff still has to get fixed by the dealer, so we're heading over there now. Some stuff was left over from before, not really pushing them too hard, so now we're going to get it all done. We still got that concern about the leaking in here, so that's a big deal. We're going to get these installed for our hoses. Nice little clean little hose mount. But the big thing is that's bothering us is we got corrosion. We got corrosion here at the D post, and around this side we got corrosion. Might be hard to show up on the video, but that's all corrosion. That's probably from that leak that's coming up here. Maybe salt water was getting down in there and corroding it. So when it leaks, we get water in here. See how it's all discolored? You get water all in here and water all in here, all back in here. And you can see some of the salt crystals in here drying on these wires here. And then it also comes out of these cap covers here. Comes out down here. And then we also have some here. The water comes out of there and out of here and pools down over here. So that's a problem. We're going to have to get it fixed. So that's not the, it's not the happiest of fixes. So I'm anxious to get that done. Still got our latches. Our latches are friction latches. You know, they just don't stay up. So we got to get them repaired. And silly stuff like me breaking that, bending that all up. I wish they'd come up with a different way to secure those. We got the lower unit going to be changed out. That's all peeling off. We're still having trouble with the plugs for the phone, the USBs. That's pushed out, and the cigarette lighter's not working, and I don't think the charger's working, so maybe that's all connected in there. We'll get that all going at once. So very excited to take it down there and get it done, man. It's nice to, you know, nice to have it all done. So of course we picked a nice beautiful rainy day to do it. Wax is going good. I did one half side with McGuire's ceramic and the other half with Woody's, so I do like the bead. We'll see how long it lasts and which one lasts the best. So let's do it. Let's load her up.